Team 66 for full Honda up in this bitch. We going to a car and bike meet. You're gonna see some sick videos. I hope they turn out sick. And I hope you like them, guys. So right now we're just on the way there. If nothing interesting happens, we're gonna cut to the tape and go straight to the action, guys. Booyaka, booyaka, let go. My girlfriend is also with me, right there, and she will be helping me with filming my shit. And also, there's only a few days left to buy the Back the Fuck Up shirt. Perfect for tailgaters. If you want to get that, go ahead and do that shit right now. I see your bike. Police is here. The popo's here. Yeah! That's one. Hey! What's going on? Fuck you, guy. You're gonna...
As you were coming off, I was right behind.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fucking awkward. I just see her high. I'm just like... Show's over. The cops kind of killed it down. So right now we're heading at McDonald's with Dan Motovlogs' girlfriend and my girlfriend. So that's what we're gonna do. What's going on, man?
How about you?
Chilling. Just about to leave.
Yeah, I know we're about to leave too.
Yeah. The cops kind of killed it down because last week was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah, man.
Good meet you, buddy. Your videos are awesome.
I appreciate it, man. Yo, I'd give you something like a keychain, but my girlfriend has them, so I don't have them with me, man.
Okay, man. Awesome.
Yeah. Alright, take it easy, man. The fuck? Yo, we got a green light. Why are they turning like that? Kickstand. Lay down. Extend. Right? Left? This way. So there's a McDonald's on this street. This street looks very fishy. This is IKEA. I'm not eating no hot dog from IKEA. That's closed. They gotta break in and use their own microwave and make my own hot dogs. Can't you just be like Siri? Take me to McDonald's. Toronto fine cars. Fuck it. They're selling DVDs out the trunk of the McDonald's parking lot. Follow him at 6 foot to the highway because I don't know where I'm going. But I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. AKA not quick, AKA regular, cool looking video. Respect and love. Alright. Later.
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like, so like my shit.
This is a PS Records production.